Philippines. This is a Donna Promise News special report. Breaking news tonight. A fire has broken out at the headquarters of the country's leading service provider. While smoke billows from the third floor serving room, the question on everyone's mind is, what happens to the businesses they support? We're going live to our field reporter who is standing by at the scene of evacuation.
Anchor, it is an absolute chaos out here, but surprisingly, it is an organized chaos. I'm standing in front of the building of the Danna service. Moments ago, a fire has broke out in the wiring closet. I'm here with a team security warden. Sir, what is the status of the team?
My priority is people-aware. The moment that alarm heard, we initiated the life safety program. We didn't stop for personal lives. We didn't stop for charges. We delivered the fire towards the paradise.
But I saw someone trying to run back inside.
That was a junior dev trying to save a personal tablet. I stopped them. In a BCP, we safeguard our own people first. All 6 members are accounted for. We are safe here in Moto.
Anchor, we've moved to the temporary command center, which is literally a park bench. They set up a 5G hotspot. Let's talk to the tech specialist. Is the clothing shop website here?
Actually, it's faster than ever. The moment the smoke detector went off, I didn't just stand up. I hit the failover trigger.
Failover? Explain that for our viewers.
It means our software safeguard kicked in. We mirrored the clothing shop's entire inventory, payment systems to a cloud server in a different region. While the fire was starting in our office, the shop software was already being reborn to a cloud. Look at this screen. 0 pocket drops, 100% uptime.
We have moved to a different spot. Unbelievable. But Anchor, a clothing shop like Gemcor relies on physical data. If the server is burned, the whole history of the business is burned. I see you're holding a specific box in there.
This isn't just a box. This is the physical safeguard of our hardware products. Inside are the encrypted monsters and the offsite backup lines.
You carried that out during the fire?
It was the first thing I grabbed. We used a 3-to-1 backup strategy, 3 copies of data, 2 different media, and this one offsite copy. Even if the old servers of now sit in a pile of plastic, Gemcor hardware is right here, secure, encrypted, Danna Promise.
We've managed to get the owner of the Gemcor. Ma'am, you're saying that your service provider's building is on fire right now. How are you feeling?
Honestly, I was panicking. I thought my summer sale was ruined, but I just checked my phone. I just got 5 notifications for new orders. So I'm making money while my IT team is literally running for their lives.
So, no compromise in service?
None. They promised me uptime and they delivered. Even when 5 trucks in their driveway, they kept their promise.
And that's it for tonight's live report. This is Inchel, back to you at the Danna Promise Studio.
An incredible display of resilience. Team, before we wrap up this report, give us the final breakdown for the record. This is how we exceed expectations.
We safeguarded it through cloud redundancy and instant failover protocols. We safeguarded our team through a strict life safety evacuation, proving that humans are the most valuable assets.
We provide service without compromising safety.
We protected the client's past.
We protected our team's future.
And we kept the business alive.
Danna Promise.
reporting live for the Donna Promise News Report. My name is Kaito Miyashita. Good night, goodbye.